Hello, today is July 14th, a national celebration for France. This is the reason why I booked a table at the French restaurant for lunch. This restaurant is located next to the yacht port at the Miura Peninsula. There's a terrace seating with a view of the ocean and feature a mix of the Japanese teppanyaki and French cuisine. This time we ordered a lunch set, which is only 5,000 yen. It starts with the butter baguette prepared in the teppanyaki style, accompanied by a cold creamy corn soup. Next, we have a sea bean carpaccio. It's a freshly caught here in the peninsula. Before the main course, we were offered a selection of the knife to choose from. Voila! The main course is a kainomi steak. Kainomi, also known as a fat meat, is a limited portion found between the juicy rib crust and the delicate fillet. Indeed, it's very soft. Finally, we indulge in a homemade dessert, 20 layers of millefeuille and a mango ice cream. Every bite was a delight for our stomach. After lunch, we have a walk nearby, and water was incredibly clear. Look at that. And we were surprised to find so many live sea urchins. I hope you all enjoy watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.